If your Subaru is showing code P0302, it means the engine computer has detected a misfire on cylinder number 2. That can sound technical, but in plain English, it means cylinder 2 is not firing the way it should. A misfire can happen for several reasons. In many cases, the cause is something simple, like a worn spark plug, a weak ignition coil, or a fuel delivery problem. But sometimes the issue goes deeper, especially if the code keeps coming back after basic repairs. On a Subaru, drivers often first notice this problem when the check engine light turns on. The engine may feel rough at idle, hesitate during acceleration, or shake more than normal. Some people also notice reduced fuel economy or a lack of power. The reason this code matters is because a misfire is not just an annoying warning light. If ignored too long, repeated misfires can lead to poor engine performance and potentially damage other components over time. Code P0302 specifically points to cylinder 2. That is different from P0301, P0303, and P0304, which identify misfires on cylinders 1, 3, and 4. When multiple misfire codes appear together, the problem may be broader than one single plug or coil. One of the most common causes is a bad spark plug. Spark plugs wear down over time, and once they stop firing consistently, the cylinder can begin to misfire under load or at idle. If the plug has not been replaced in a long time, that is often one of the first things to inspect. Another common cause is a failing ignition coil. Even if the spark plug is new, the coil may not be delivering enough voltage to fire the mixture correctly. In some cases, owners replace plugs first, only to find the misfire returns because the coil was the real issue. Fuel delivery problems can also trigger P0302. If cylinder 2 is not getting the right amount of fuel, combustion becomes unstable. That can happen from injector problems or other fuel system issues that disrupt the air-fuel balance. Vacuum leaks are another possible cause. If extra air enters the system where it should not, the engine can run lean and misfire. These kinds of problems can be harder to spot because they may not be as obvious as a worn ignition part. In some Subaru cases, the misfire is more noticeable at idle than during driving. That can make diagnosis tricky because the vehicle may seem mostly normal once it is moving. But the code still points to a problem that should be addressed. The best first step is proper diagnosis. That means checking the spark plug, inspecting the ignition coil, looking for vacuum leaks, and verifying fuel delivery. Clearing the code without fixing the cause usually only leads to the same warning coming back. If you have a Subaru Forester, Outback, Impreza, or WRX showing P0302, the exact repair may vary depending on the model year, engine condition, and whether other codes are present. That is why diagnosis matters more than just throwing random parts at the car. If you are seeing multiple codes like P0301, P0302, P0303, and P0304 together, that can suggest a wider ignition or fuel system issue rather than one isolated cylinder. A single cylinder misfire and a multi-cylinder misfire usually need different troubleshooting approaches. The good news is that many P0302 problems can be resolved once the root cause is found. The key is catching it early, confirming what failed, and making the repair before the issue gets worse. So if your Subaru has code P0302, do not ignore it. It may be a basic ignition problem, a fuel issue, or an air leak. But the longer it stays unresolved, the more frustrating and expensive it can become. If this video helped you understand what P0302 means on a Subaru, check the comments and description for more details, and keep an eye out for related codes like P0301, P0303, and P0304 if your engine is running rough.